We are off to the Altitude Sickness Smash Melee Tournament. We stayed at the Holiday Inn in Broomsfield. Very nice. Good room. It's been snowing. It's been snowing. That won't stop us. Got a little snowy last night. We need to see where we're going. We made it to the campus in Boulder. Parking is outrageous. $26 to stay here till after 6. I'm a volunteer. Come on. Reimburse me, please. I think we'll go this way.
We have no choice but to win.
So we totally took off in the wrong direction, but it's alright. Get a free tour of Boulder University. Nice campus. Very beautiful. Especially in the winter. The snow's a bit wet, but it's beautiful. Walking by the art and art history building. These buildings are beautiful. Maybe some greenhouses up there. Got some nice arches built in. Lovely place, Boulder. Greetings, gamers. We are at the Altitude Sickness Smash Melee Tournament here in Boulder, Colorado. Right now, underway is the doubles first bracket, and later on, we're going to get to the singles bracket. Now, there is $1,000 pot at stake. No, I'm not talking about Colorado. I'm talking about the sponsor, Polygonal, has chipped in $1,000. That's going to be divided between the singles bracket and the doubles bracket. The winner takes home 42% of $500, and up to 8 players in the singles will be rewarded. So we're going to watch the events unfold, and I'll keep you updated.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
So close.
Wow. Does he get the edge
Gets
card?
it.
He gets the edge card. This could be it. Forward smash. Hold
That's
ledge.
it.
What is he doing?
Oh.
Wow.
Good job from Owl.
Popping
Good job.
off as he should be.
Great job.
Set.
Great
that
job.
was the set. I would say set of the day.
Great job from Owl.
It was great seeing, yes, it was great seeing the boys take one, especially against national talents like Steve and Bobby. It's just always a pleasure to watch them play. But as it goes, the best will take home the W today. And we'll see these players further on in bracket. Hopefully we'll get a deep top 8 losers run for the brothers.
But we were going to be able to finish out our doubles a little bit later tonight. There is a schedule on our Start GG page. You should be able to check to see it if you want to watch the tail end of it. Instead, we're going to transition over to singles next. We have Wave A starting in just a few moments. But now, officially, as I look to production for my last confirmation, we are going to take a short break. I'll see you guys. I've been Zen. This has been
Ari, or Canis Familiaris.
And we will see you all a little bit later. Stay tuned, everybody.
Have a good one, everybody.
Oh my God, the phone
Alright.
Who do we have next? Who do we have next?
Who's up next? It is Omega.
I'm honestly Preeminence. Yep, Preeminent versus...
Omega.
Who's that on? Here, we have the brackets right here.
At the University of Colorado Boulder. From some Melee today, right, Will?
Absolutely. My name's WizP. This is Glenn Lord Ghost. We're Fort Collins compadres and proud Colorado Smashers.
So cool that so many people from so many different walks of life have come out here, you know, to Boulder, Colorado.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful day outside. We actually have a nice little, like, very picturesque.
Yeah.
You know, I'm not gonna say snowstorm, but it's like a flurries. It's
Yeah.
pretty outside.